Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one very useful MySQL command. It is nothing but how to add a new column to an existing table. We will use a simple students table as our example. So let's get started. So first of all, let us assume we already have a table called students. Our table contains three columns: student ID, student name and age, and we can create this table by using a query. You can see the query on your screen. It is create table students, and I have given three columns and related data type. And if you want to see the structure of that particular table, let me execute with the desc command. So this is the structure of my table. Now suppose we want to add one more column called email. How we can do that? So to add a new column to an existing table, we use the alter table command with add option. I'll show you that. The syntax is alter table, then we need to provide the table name. After that, add, then I need to provide the column name, then obviously the data type of that particular column. Here you can see the query. In our example, we want to add an email column. So our query will be alter table students add email worker 100. That's it. After executing this query, the email column will be added to our existing students table. So let me execute the query. Okay, so I have executed this query. Now let me check the structure of the table. So before executing the query, our table has student ID, student name and age. But after executing alter table students add email worker 100, our table becomes student ID, student name, age and email. Notice that the new email column initially contains null for existing rows because we have not provided any email values yet. We can also add a column with a default value. For example, suppose we want to add a column called city and we want the default city to be Kolkata. We can write alter table students add city, then I need to provide the data type which is nothing but varchar 50, and then I need to provide the constraints like this: default Kolkata. Now if I execute this, I will get that city column is added and existing rows can receive the default value. Here you can see it is Kolkata. So remember this simple syntax: alter table, table name, add, column name, then the data type. And in our example, it is nothing but alter table, students, add, email, worker, 100. That's how we add a new column to an existing MySQL table. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session. Till then, bye and take care.